Are you struggling with irregular cycles, painful periods, or difficulty conceiving? You might be surprised to learn that the root cause often lies in one simple word: hormones. When your hormones are out of balance, your body struggles to ovulate, your eggs don't mature properly, and even implantation can be affected. But here's the good news: nature has already given us powerful tools to bring those hormones back into harmony. And in today's video, I'm going to share science-backed, natural ways to balance your hormones for better fertility, without extreme diets or complicated routines. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the #1 daily habit most women overlook that could completely transform your reproductive health. Section 1. Why hormones matter for fertility. First, let's understand why hormones play such a huge role in fertility. Your reproductive system is like an orchestra, and your hormones are the musicians. When one instrument is out of tune, the whole performance suffers. Estrogen helps your eggs mature and thickens the uterine lining. Progesterone prepares your womb for implantation and supports early pregnancy. FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone, triggers egg development. LH, luteinizing hormone, sparks ovulation, the moment your egg is released. Now, if these hormones are too high, too low, or out of rhythm, it's like trying to play music with broken strings. You may experience irregular periods, missed ovulation, or even miscarriages. That's why balancing them naturally is one of the best steps you can take when trying to conceive. Section 2. Signs your hormones are out of balance. How do you know if your hormones need some TLC? Here are common red flags. Irregular or very heavy, light periods. Unexplained acne, especially on the chin or jawline. Mood swings, anxiety, or brain fog. Constant fatigue or poor sleep. Low libido. Difficulty conceiving despite trying for months. If you nodded yes to 2 or more of these, it's your body whispering, "Please help me restore balance." Section 3. Natural ways to balance hormones for fertility. Alright, let's dive into natural solutions. These are simple lifestyle changes that can have a big impact. 1. Nourish with fertility-friendly foods. Eat more leafy greens, avocados, and citrus fruits, packed with folate to regulate estrogen and support egg quality. Add omega-3 rich foods like salmon, walnuts, or chia seeds. They lower inflammation and improve progesterone levels. Minimize processed sugar and junk food, because blood sugar spikes directly disrupt estrogen and insulin balance. 2. Support your gut health. Here's something most women don't realize. Your gut bacteria help recycle and regulate estrogen. If your gut is out of balance, your estrogen levels can swing like a roller coaster. Add probiotics, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and fiber-rich foods to help your gut detox excess hormones naturally. 3. Manage stress. Protect fertility. Chronic stress raises cortisol, and high cortisol steals from your progesterone reserves. That means less support for ovulation and early pregnancy. Daily habits like meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or even a 10-minute walk can reduce stress hormones and free up your fertility hormones to do their job. 4. Prioritize sleep. Your body resets hormone levels at night. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep, quality sleep. Poor sleep reduces melatonin, which protects egg quality, and disrupts LH and FSH, the hormones that trigger ovulation. 5. Seed cycling, a natural fertility hack. This is an ancient method where you eat specific seeds during each phase of your cycle to support hormone balance. Days 1 to 14, follicular phase, flax seeds plus pumpkin seeds, right pointing arrow boost estrogen. Days 15 to 28, luteal phase, sunflower seeds plus sesame seeds, right pointing arrows support progesterone. It's simple, inexpensive, and many women swear by it. Section 4. The #1 overlooked habit. Now, here's the most overlooked daily habit: hydration. Your hormones travel through your bloodstream, and if you're dehydrated, that system slows down. Drinking enough water also helps your liver flush out old hormones and toxins that could disrupt balance. So, aim for at least 2 liters of clean water daily, and watch how your cycles improve. To wrap up, balancing hormones doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent nutrition, stress management, and lifestyle changes, your body will start finding its natural rhythm again. And when your hormones are in harmony, your chances of conceiving rise dramatically. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fertility tips, and share this video with someone who needs it. And tell me in the comments, which hormone balancing tip are you going to start today? I'd love to hear your journey.